Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone and capturing the audio itself. Grant mic and storage permissions, open a reliable voice recorder, and speak clearly. Keep the clip short, 30 to 60 seconds, for best status behavior. Once done, save the file as MP3 or M4A and give it a clear name. This avoids confusion during the conversion step. Make sure volume levels are steady when you export, so the later video will have consistent audio and no clipping. Next, convert that audio file into a short MP4 video, because WhatsApp status accepts video but not raw audio. Open an audio-to-video converter or shortcut, pick a static photo or black image, set MP4 output with AAC audio and 720p or 1080p resolution, then attach your MP3/M4A. Once converted, trim silence or add a brief fade so the clip feels professional. Export the resulting MP4 to your gallery. Make sure the file plays back with both image and sound. Finally, post the MP4 as your WhatsApp status. Open Status, tap Add, pick the video you exported, adjust the caption and privacy settings, and send. Once posted, preview the status to confirm audio playback. Make sure system media volume is up. If viewers report silence, reconvert using AAC audio codec and 720p or test on another device. If still failing, restart WhatsApp and retry uploading the freshly exported MP4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.